Hi, I'm showing you now 6D vacuum massage device, the principal treatments and guidelines how to use the device. So the device comes with 6 different regular cups and a roller cup and the hose. The hose is inserted with the filter into the device just by pressing it in. The other end is very similar and you use the cup and just push it in. The device itself is turned on from the back with a little button, and then it is regulated with these. So the device itself, it's used for lifting up the skin. And by lifting up the skin tissue, we create space underneath, which accelerates the lymphatic flow, blood flow, and by that we actually increase the lymphatic flow so much that it reduces swelling, edema, pain, etc. With the treatment we lift up the skin, and by lifting up the skin we create space underneath, and this makes it so that the blood flow, the lymphatic flow increases, and by that we can decrease the swelling or edema and get good results for the different treatments. We can use the treatment for various indications, for example post-operative swellings or tennis elbow. It can be used for scar tissue or simply by sports recovery after a hard workout. And now I will show you the basic 3 treatment methods how to use the device. To turn the device on, you press this button here and you regulate the pressure from 0 to 300. The pressure should be adjusted to the level that you can see the skin moving, but it doesn't cause any pain or irritation to the customer. The pulsation mode is put on from the other button, and it is adjusted from 0.1 to 3 seconds. The most common interval is 1 second, which is close to the heart rate. It's gentle and pleasant for the client. For the treatment techniques, first is the pulsation mode. So you keep the cup in one spot for 3 pulsations. And then you move the cup about 1 cup diameter forward. 3 pulsations, and 1 cup diameter forward. So this is the pulsation technique. The second one is a lift and twist technique, and this can be done on the continuous mode or the pulsation mode. When you have the device on the pulsation mode, you lift and twist while the pulsation is on. If you do it without the pulsation, it's a little bit easier since the suction is continuous and you can do nice and good twists and lifts for the tissue. When you want to release the cup, you just press with your finger a little bit air to the end of the cup and it releases nice and good. For the third technique, you use gliding technique, and you regulate regulate the pressure so that it doesn't cause any pain, but so that the cup moves on the skin. You ask the patient if the suction, the pressure is on a good level. You can use the other hand by pulling the tissue to the opposite direction. Gliding technique can be done by straight lines or S forms. And for the gliding, it's most commonly used the continuous mode. You can either use the regular cups without the oil, or you can just put a little bit tiny oil here, but very, very little, and then it glides smoother on the skin. By changing the cup, you need 2 fingers to press the little black ring towards the cup, and it releases the locking mechanism, and you can just pull out the cup. The roller cup is also very nice for the gliding treatment, and especially for the bigger muscle groups on the back and on the feet. And same way, either the S form or straight lines. When you use the water lines on the body, you actually direct the gliding on the left corner towards the left armpit, on the right corner towards the right armpit, and then lower underneath the lower water line, you direct it towards the groin area, and the opposite side on the other side.